Purchase price 1500 rupees, sold price 1800 rupees. Find the percentage of profit. Solution. First we have to find out profit. Profit is equal to 1800 minus 1500 is equal to 300 rupees profit. For 1500 rupees profit is equal to 300. For 100 rupees profit is equal to how much? We have to write it as 100 divided by 1500 into 100 divided by 1500 into 300. 20 cancel. 3 ones are 3 5s are 15. 5 ones are 5 2s are 10. This 0 as it is. Therefore 20% is profit.